Okay, so where we are now is we've got all the grey painting done. We've got the wheels have been painted, new tyres have been put on. Where we are now is we're going to move on to the red paint. So this dash will need to come off, be stripped, sandblaster, ready for paint. On the wings, I need to fit these brackets onto the both wings. This is a transport paint scheme when it's on that. That's got to be sandblasted or rubbed down, ready for paint. And the bonnet is a new bonnet, and we've built it up just to make sure everything fitted. And the only modification it had to do was to the grille. It was tight on the edges, so we linished off on both sides, and now it fits fine. So the bonnet and everything is okay, ready to be stripped down and painted. And hopefully in the next video we'll get this running again while this other stuff's getting painted.